all, welcome back to our channel Lex Click. Here I am Kanupriya Bhargav and I am currently working as a legal intern with Lexis and Company for the month of July. And our today's topic of discussion will be around Twitter is no longer protected by law in India. So, here beginning with our topic. On 28th June 2021, the Ministry of Information Technology and Electronics declared and confirmed that Twitter had lost its intermediate status and it could no longer benefit from legal protection provided to internet intermediaries under Section 79 of Information Technology Act 2000 because it has failed to comply with the new IT rules 2021. Safe harbor protection is provided under Section 79 of Information Technology Act, which says that intermediary is not held responsible for any third party, which means and this implies that social media platform like Twitter will now move forward and see the background of this problem. The new R2 rules, which took effect on 26 May 2021 to regulate the content of various popular social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and WhatsApp, made it mandatory for these companies to appoint a nodal officer, chief compliance officer, grievance resident officer based in the country to handle the problem of the users. Twitter named Dharmal Chatur as a temporary grievance resident officer and said that it will appoint a permanent officer to these appointments after a week, while other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and LinkedIn cooperated with this statement and named their officer and uploaded on their website. And Twitter did not do this at first. Section 79 of Information Technology Act. Any firm will not be held responsible for any information or data accessible or available on their platform of the third party. This is said under Section 79 of Information Technology Act. This protection will apply to the aforementioned firm if the firm does not begin the transmission of message and it does not choose the recipient of the message and does not attempt to change the information contained in the transmission. Any legal action to the platform will be avoided as long it just works as the messenger. On Twitter, because Twitter now no longer enjoys the legal protection under Section 79 of Information Technology Act 2000, it is now vulnerable to all types of legal action. This implies that if someone posts anything related to violence or breaking the laws, not only that individual but Twitter will also be held guilty because it has lost the legal protection under the new IT rules because it has failed to comply with the new IT rules. Twitter has already begun to face the consequences of this lost legal protection as a complaint has been brought against the corporation for attack on an elderly Muslim man on 5th June. Twitter was also accused of removing the tweets after the authorities have claimed that they informed the company about the post. Now concluding with my topic with the liability, legal protection has been lost of the Twitter. Twitter executives in India can face several criminal charges over any objectionable content on their platform. Indian police has already filed 5 police complaints against Twitter. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video then do watch my previous video and please do like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. And if you have any query regarding this video or any other video then comment down below. Thank you.